Hello everyone, hi, this is Amit Sharma and welcome back to my channel Web for Click. Today I'm gonna introduce you with 15 kind of graphics designing. So don't skip the video and subscribe the channel if you want more knowledgeable content. So let's start.
So before 15 types of graphics designing, we must need to know what is graphics designing. Graphics designing is a visual communication between client and designer. There are lots of ways to display graphics according to the requirements. Where important thing is to keep in mind during design any graphics is the purpose and where it going to be displayed. Types of graphics designing. Let's start. In today's fastest proceed generation, graphics has become a backbone of all business. According to display of graphics, we can categorized in different 15 categories. The first one is brand identity graphics. Brand identity graphics represents the visual identity of any business, corporate, or individual. Brand identity graphics can be in terms of logo design, visiting card design, pamphlet design, brochure design, etc. Everything that is we use to promote any business. These kind of graphics are mostly handmade combination of vectors, decorated texts, and layouts. Some popular softwares to make such kind of graphics are Adobe Illustrator, CorelDRAW, Photoshop CC, and lots of softwares are available on the market. The second one is infographics. Infographics is a spectacular presentation of data, graph, or chart in terms of vector graphics. Infographics is a perfect visuality of data in form of shapes or vector art. Third one is user interface design, or we called it UI designing. User interface design is mostly used for the website and applications. When user interact with lots of designs daily on the server within PC, mobile, and tablets, and you browse any website or any application, the fonts, layouts, and all area that is visible and attractive is called user interface design. Now, fourth one is user experience design, or called UX design. User experience design make website or application more attractive. All the part that is animate and you feel something better is called user experience. For example, loading any image, button animation, layout animation, menu animation, everything that is associated with any application or any website is called user experience. User experience design is an upgraded version of user interface. It includes user interface with feel using animation or any effect, and the whole combination is called user experience design. Now, what is the difference between UI and UX? I mean the user interface and the user experience design. If you would heard the phrase look and feel, then the easy way to understand is that the look portion of any design is called user interface design, and the field represents the user experience. User interface is just a simple design or called a wireframe PSD graphical. On the other hand, user experience design is visual representation of that design, including field with the help of animation or effects. Many software are available to design user interface like Illustrator, Photoshop, CorelDRAW, InDesign, etc. For user experience design, Adobe XD or use font and languages like HTML, CSS, jQuery. Fifth topic is art and illustrations. Art and illustrations are handmade designs of natural or artificial things. The design is made by hand drawing with the help of electronic pen or any other electronic equipment. Now sixth one is vector graphics. A vector graphics that create with the help of mathematics and geometric calculation is called vector design. Now what is the difference between vector and illustration? When we make any design with the help of geometric measurements using angle, circle, square, etc., that design is called vector design. And when the design is made by hand drawing with the help of electronic pen or any other electronic equipment with our hand is called illustrations. So I hope you would enjoy 6 kind of graphics designing in this video. In my next video, I also will continue with next forms and kinds of graphics designing, and I will tell you total 15 graphics designing one by one.